In this video, we'll present 5 different ways how to connect cameras to video walls displays. Drag and drop cameras from the map. Select a camera on the map. Drag and drop the selected camera to the video wall control widget. It is possible to set video display to full screen mode simply by double-clicking on the video wall control widget. Drag and drop cameras from the camera tree. Select a camera on the camera tree. Drag and drop selected camera to the video wall control widget. It is possible to change the video wall layout by pressing the top right corner icon and select the suitable layout for the video wall. Lasso cameras on the map. Select Lasso tool on the map. Use Lasso to select an area, including the cameras you want to view. This will connect the cameras in the lassoed area to the predefined video wall. The layout and number of displays is automatically adjusted to the number of cameras selected via the Lasso tool. Clear all video wall displays by right-clicking on the video wall widget and selecting Disconnect all displays. Use Magnet tool on the map. Select Magnet tool on the map. Draw a line on the map and Magnet tool selects the cameras across the drawn line. The group of selected cameras can be dragged and dropped on a video wall control widget. You can choose to view them as a sequence on single display or view all cameras at once on different displays. Video wall layout may be automatically adjusted to match the number of connected cameras. The tool has the option to select all cameras placed within a certain range, 10 to 100 meters, of the path. Quick launch and system tasks. Cameras may be connected to video wall also by predefined system tasks. These tasks can be assigned to quick launch buttons. System tasks may also be used to change video wall layout or to clear all connections. These are especially useful when controlling a large video wall consisting of multiple monitors and many camera connections. Thank you for watching the video. More videos are available from Teleste.